look at what I would do if I were looking for work right now in this crazy saturated market, using ChatGPT as my go-to tool for writing myself a great cover letter. The first thing I would do is I would go to LinkedIn and I would use the jobs feature on LinkedIn. If you haven't done this before, it's really easy. Just go to linkedin.com, make sure your profile is up to date, and click on jobs. The type of job we're looking for is not necessarily relevant in this case. So just for the sake of conversation, let's look up sales careers. There's a lot of results here, about 1.1 million sales careers available in the US. Let's narrow it down to maybe entry-level experience, 491,000 results. We'll land on this outside sales representative job in Thurmont, Maryland. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take the job description itself. This is where ChatGPT is going to play a huge role for us. I am copying the entirety of the job description, and you can either hit Command-C or you can just right-click and hit copy. It'll copy it to your clipboard. I'm going to go to a new chat in ChatGPT. As you can see, if you've never used ChatGPT, this could actually be a really good crash course for you. It's super easy and it's free to use. So I'm going to type in, using the text below, for a job description, please write a cover letter. Before I click enter, I want to give you a heads up on what's about to happen. ChatGPT is going to take all the content of the job description, it's going to analyze it, and it's going to pop out a cover letter for us that matches the job description and is personalized to that company. If you're thinking to yourself, well, isn't this kind of cheating? My argument to that would be, wouldn't you want to hire someone that could take a process that takes 10 minutes and find a way to do it in 10 seconds? So here I go, let's go back to it. I'm going to paste now the entirety of the job description. And again, what we wrote was, using the text below for a job description, please write a cover letter. Now ChatGPT is working. And as you can see, it has taken content from the job description. It knows that it's an account executive role. It's writing the name of the company as spot on. That was the name of the business we were looking at. And it's giving you content based on the description of the job. As an experienced business-to-business sales professional, I am impressed by Spot On's recent accomplishments, including raising $300 million in Series F funding. It doesn't get much sexier than this when it comes to cover letters. Let's do one more, just so we can see how well it works. I'm gonna go back to LinkedIn. I'm gonna do a position that's a little bit more senior. Maybe we'll go something to mid or director level. Again, almost 400,000 results. And let's see what it does for us. You know what? Let's have a little fun. Let's pretend we're about to apply at Meta. All right, software engineer for Meta. This should be really fun. I'm gonna take the about the job. I'm gonna copy it. And when it comes to ChatGPT, you don't have to recreate the wheel each time. You could just write something like, now, write a cover letter for this job description. Paste, enter, ta-da! Dear hiring manager, I want to express my interest in the senior full-stack software engineer position at Meta. You can use ChatGPT to write cover letters for any industry. Obviously, proofread it. Don't just send it. Don't be that person. Make sure that it does say the things you want it to say, but why would you ever waste 15, 30, 45 minutes or even an hour researching a company, making sure you understand all of the criteria for the job description, when you could just let ChatGPT do all the dirty work for you? Copy and paste it, reach out to the recruiter, have fun.